postaneš Slovenec? Z Michaelom Manskim, 26. del, part 26.
Kako biti starš?
Being a parent in Slovenia means keeping your child warm. From what I can tell, that's pretty much the primary objective. Everything else is important, but not as important as making sure your child is dressed right and not cold. If you ever have the chance, go to a playground somewhere in Slovenia, sit on a bench and listen. I can almost guarantee you that within 5 minutes, you'll hear something like this.
Oto, kje imaš čevlje? Obuj si čevlje.
Hej, Lili, uhu,
Oto,
padla boš.
ne hodi bos.
Nik,
Oto,
Daj kapo na glavo.
pridi dol,
Hej, veter piha.
kje imaš čevlje?
padla boš.
Prehladil se boš.
Lili,
Hej,
Takoj
ne
obuj
slišiš?
čevlje.
da ne boš padla.
In a previous episode, we talked about the Slovenian fear and hatred of the wind. But if you ever wanted to know where it comes from, go to a playground and listen. Kids are pretty much inundated with it from the very beginning. And you don't have to go even when it's cold. You can go when it's warm outside, too.
Ana, kje imaš bundo? Ana, ne sleci se. Hej,
Veš kaj, danes je 22 stopinj, mislim, da bo
hej,
okay.
veter piha. Ne se slečt. Obleci bundo.
I otherwise feel like Slovenian parents are very relaxed. I haven't seen the kind of pressure on kids that you see in the US when it comes to stuff like being a lawyer or a doctor. The only thing that seems to get them angry are bare feet and not enough layers of clothes. My favorite Slovenian joke goes like this. A grandmother is walking through the city and she sees her granddaughter sitting on a park bench doing heroin. The grandmother says, "Ljubi Bog, what are you doing?" The girl says, "Shooting heroin." And the grandmother says, "Get the hell off that cold bench, you're going to catch a cold." Like all great jokes, it's funny because it's true.
How to become a Slovene with Michael Mansky.